Mathematics tricks muna tayo. So, we're going to multiply higher number from 6 to 10 using ang ating fingers. So, we have here 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9, and 10 times 10. Let's say we have 6 times 6. So, tig 10 ito, 10, 20. So, 20 na itong dalawang pinky fingers. Then, may natira tayong 4, diba? 4 times 4, that is 16. So, 20 plus 16, that is 36. So, 6 times 6 is 36. Let's have another example. We have 7 times 7. So, 10, 20, 30, 40. Meron ka ng 40. May natira pa tayong tatlong daliri dito. 10, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times 3, that is 9. So, 40 plus 9, that is 49. So, 7 times 7 is 49. Next, 8 times 8. So, tig 10 again tayo. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Meron ka ng 60. Then, meron tayong natirang dalawang daliri dito sa kabilang side and the other side. So, 2 times 2, that is 4. 60 plus 4, that is 64. So, 8 times 8 is 64. Next, 9 times 9. So, meron na tayong 80 kasi tig 10 ito. So, may natirang 1 times 1. So, 1 times 1 is 1. So, 80 plus 1, that is 81. So, 9 times 9 is 81. Another one. 7 times 8. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. May 50 ka na. May natirang tatlong fingers dito, then dalawa dito. So, magiging 3 times 2, that is 6. 50 plus 6, that is 56. Okay, 6.